Hello everyone, today I will show you how to correct recognize text in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a PDF file and I will correct all of this word and text in this PDF file. Select this tools option. Now select the scan and OCR option and simply click this recognize text option, and this is correct and recognize text. Click here. And see this document does not contain any suspect, and simply select OK and review recognize text, and see this there is no suspect. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.